Hi YouTube, it's me Jack, and today I'm going to be doing a VHS collection of Clifford the Big Red Dog. I notice I haven't done a VHS collection in a while just because, school stuff. Alright, let's get started. So the first we got is 2000 VHS of Clifford's Best Friends. Front, spine, character profile picture of Clifford. Other spine, top, in the back. Episodes are My Best Friend, False Friends, and a new friend, and The Dog Who Cried Wolf. Here's the tape's ink label and no print date. Oh, and they all have the hold on. Had to put the top. I had to fix the top. And they all have the FHE logo, just like the Baby Einstein ones do. Okay, next one is a 2001 VHS of Clifford's Schoolhouse. Here's the front, spine, character profile picture of Clifford. Other spine. Top. It's been ripped off. In the back. Oh. Episodes are Teacher's Pet, Nobody's Perfect, Clifford and the Beanstalk, and Get Well. Here's the tape's ink label and no print date. Next we got is a 2001 VHS of High Flying Fun. Front, spine, character profile picture of Clifford. Other spine, top, and the back. Episodes are The Big Fetch and Captain Birdwell's Treasure. Here's the tape's ink label. No print. Oh, the print date is September 12th, 2002 and August 29th, 2002. Last one we got is a 2002 VHS of Clifford's Big Halloween. Front, spine, profile picture of Clifford and other people. Other spine, top, and the back. Episodes are Boo, Clifford's Carnival, Leaf of Absence, Come Back Mac. Here's the tape's ink label, no print date. Alright guys, that is it for my Clifford the Big Red Dog VHS collection. Hope you all enjoy this video. I'll see you later. Peace out. Peace out, home dog.